Hey, it's W5HRO. I've got a quick update here. As you can see, I've got a couple more pieces for the old Heathkit, the infamous Novice station. I did get the monitor and speaker. Now that's not the actual speaker for the receiver. They really did make one. They made a bigger one that was 8 ohms. That was for like the RX1 Mohawk you could use on this, but it's a big tall shape. And I found this one. That one's about a 3.5 or 3.6 ohm speaker. The output of this is 8 ohms. It's a simple fix. I can either just change the speaker out in there or put a matching transformer in there. But I grabbed that one, and then I found another one still in the box. This is a speaker that was never built. Look at this. And what somebody did was they must have needed there's two metal trim pieces. You see one on that side. It looks like the only thing in the kit that was missing, somebody ripped this open and they took one of these metal pieces. They probably, at some point, somebody needed the metal for some other project they were working on, probably not for one of these speakers. That would be my guess, but I just kind of want to show you. I did pull that, I turned that lid around the right way on this one, and I pulled the bottom cover off, and I looked, and that band switch is just completely frozen. I looked at all the wafers. I've got to get it on the bench and shine a flashlight in there. I did shine my phone flashlight a little bit here on the carpet when I did it the other day, but it looks like the thing is just frozen. I didn't see any damage to the wafer switches. It looks like they made an assembly error. There's 2 screws that go through all the wafers, and it was supposed to go through the metal piece in front right behind this panel, and they somehow, when they assembled this thing, they missed it. I think the switch is just frozen. Sometimes I've had that happen on like a lot of this Heathkit stuff, to where you go to turn a knob and it just won't turn. And you take the knob off, spray a little bit WD-40 down in front of the knob, let it soak in there a little bit, and maybe inside. Put a pair of vice grips and turn it, it'll break free, and then you can loosen it up by adding more WD-40, then it's fine. I've been able to fix a lot of these things like that, so I don't know if that's what's wrong with this one, or it looked like the ball bearing and the selector switch on the front may have dropped out. I think they just made an assembly error on this, but we'll see what happens when I get it on the bench. But I just kind of wanted to give you an update. I haven't done anything to it yet. I got some other projects I'm working on first, but I did get 2 more pieces. I have a speaker, well, brand new, and I'm going to use this one, modify it for 8 ohms, and then I'll take one of the trim pieces off one side of this one and put it on this mint one still in the box. So just kind of want to give you that update. And of course, this thing's going to need work. And the thing lights up. You see the horizontal line go across, but of course, all the capacitors are original. They all have to be replaced. It needs some repairs. So you know how it goes. This stuff is old. So for an upcoming bench project, when I get everything else done, I'll take this out there and we'll start making videos of what I'm doing to it and how everything's working. So 73s for now. This is W5HRO.